Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that often confuses people: omniscient. It may look complicated, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is omniscient. Let's break it down. First, we have which sounds like in omnipotent. Next is nish, which rhymes with fish and should be pronounced clearly. Finally, we have which sounds like in patient but is spoken softly. Now, let's put it all together. Omniscient. Try repeating after me, omniscient. Now a little faster, omniscient. And at full speed, omniscient. Keep practicing, and soon this word will come naturally to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Omniscient means all-knowing. It describes someone or something that has complete knowledge of everything. In literature, an omniscient narrator is one who knows the thoughts and feelings of all characters in a story. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce omniscient and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.